Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Be Artistic Bism. As all of you know that we are doing 30 days art challenge. So today is day 10 and today's challenge is draw something with wings. So I am going to draw a cute fairy with wings. You can draw anything with wings like bird, any butterfly or any other thing which is having wings. So I am going to draw a fairy here. So first of all, draw a circle. Hair of fairy. 2 eyes. And a smile. This is the dress of our fairy. Okay, let's draw the legs. Draw the 2 hands. And she is carrying a magical wand in her hand. Okay. Now it's time to draw finally the wings. Okay, so friends, our fairy with wings drawing is ready. Draw some more stars to give it a magical effect. And it's done. Now let's start coloring. Color the frog of our cute little fairy. And the shoes with the same color. Okay, now we'll color up the wings with yellow color to show up the golden wings. If you have golden color, you can do with golden also. I was having that yellow only, so I am using that yellow. You can use any color of your choice, means yellow, silver or golden to make the wings. Color them slowly. Okay, now I'm using that light pink color to complete the coloring of wings. Okay, finally I'm going to color up the stars with red color. So friends, our today's challenge, draw something with wings, is complete. I have drawn a fairy with wings. You can draw a bird, a butterfly, a mosquito, a grasshopper, anything which you like, anything which is having wings. So if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.